The 8 dimensions of wellness, as listed by the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration, are physical, emotional, occupational, environmental, social, spiritual, intellectual, and financial. These are the aspects of a person's life that make up their overall wellness and are key factors for mental health therapists to examine when it comes to checking on their clients. The physical aspect zooms in on how the client is able to maintain a healthy body through exercise and other physical activities, through their diet and eating habits, and via medical consultations and care. The emotional aspect is concerned with the client's ability to express their emotions in healthy ways. They have healthy relationships and how they cope with the trials and tribulations that life throws their way. As for the occupational aspect, this one revolves around their ability to find fulfillment, satisfaction, and other contentment in their work, as well as if they are able to maintain a good work-life balance. When it comes to the environmental aspect, this concerns the client's immediate space and other spaces they happen to occupy. Do they find themselves in safe, comfortable environments? The social aspect focuses on the client's ability to build and maintain positive relationships and connections with their family, friends, or new people they meet by circumstance. The spiritual aspect is concerned with the client being able to find a sense of purpose in their life, if they are able to find meaning for themselves in the things they do, and if they are able to develop a healthy connection with something greater than themselves, may it be faith, nature, or something else. The intellectual aspect is concerned with the client being able to enjoy learning and engaging with mentally stimulating activities. Lastly, the financial aspect revolves around their ability to properly manage their finances and making informed decisions when it comes to spending, saving, and investing their hard-earned money. The 8 Dimensions of Wellness worksheet is often used by mental health therapists, counselors, psychologists, and psychiatrists to help their client open up and talk more about themselves. The answers to this worksheet can help the practitioner build a care plan for the patient. To use our free 8 Dimensions of Wellness worksheet, follow these steps. Download our 8 Dimensions of Wellness from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. For this version of the worksheet, these are the only things your client needs to do. Rate themselves based on the prompts for each dimension. There are 10 items per dimension and they just need to choose the appropriate rating between 1 to 4. 1 meaning rarely if ever, 2 meaning sometimes, 3 meaning most of the time, and 4 meaning always. Tally the scores for each dimension. The maximum score for each dimension is 40. There are no score ranges or designations for whatever score they get. Answer the following questions and elaborate as best as they can. Which dimensions of wellness could use some improvement? Which dimensions are going okay for you? Which dimensions would you say you are having success with? Once you received a fully accomplished worksheet, you can use their ratings as basis for further discussion in order to pinpoint the aspects of their life they need improvement in. Here is a sample of our 8 Dimensions of Wellness worksheet, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our 8 Dimensions of Wellness worksheet, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.